Luxury houses are usually equipped with the latest technology and automation systems, as well as top-of-the-line appliances and finishes. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. 1. Antilia, Mumbai, India. Antilia is a 27-story residential building located in Mumbai, India. It is the private residence of Indian businessman Mukesh Ambani, chairman of Reliance Industries. The building was designed by Chicago-based architects Perkins and Will and was completed in 2010. Antilia has a total of 400,000 square feet of living space, with amenities that include a movie theater, multiple swimming pools, a health spa, and a bathroom. The building also features a 6-story parking garage, a helipad, and multiple terrace gardens. Antilia is considered to be one of the most expensive private residences in the world, with an estimated value of around $2 billion. 2. Villa Leopolda, Cote d'Azur, France. Villa Leopolda is a historic villa located in Villefranche-sur-Mer, on the Côte d'Azur in the south of France. The villa was originally built in 1902 for King Leopold I of Belgium, and was later owned by various wealthy individuals. The villa has 19 bedrooms, multiple living rooms, a movie theater, and its own commercial greenhouse. 3. Ellison Estate, Woodside, California, USA. The Ellison Estate is a large private residential property located in Woodside, California, USA. The property is owned by Larry Ellison, the co-founder of Oracle Corporation. The estate features a 16,000 square foot main house, a 2-story tea house, a man-made lake, and multiple gardens. The main house has 10 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, and a number of high-end amenities such as a gym, a sauna, a home theater, and a wine cellar. The tea house is connected to the main house by a floating walkway and features a sitting room, a kitchen, and a bedroom. The lake on the property is stocked with fish and features a waterfall, while the gardens include a koi pond, a Japanese garden, and a variety of sculptures. 4. 7. The Pinnacle, Big Sky, Montana, USA. 7. The Pinnacle is a luxury ski-in, ski-out residential property located in Big Sky, Montana, USA. The property is part of the Yellowstone Club, a private residential club and ski resort. 7. The Pinnacle is a 16,000 square foot home with ski-in, ski-out access to the slopes, and features 7 bedrooms, multiple living rooms, a wine cellar, a fitness center, and a movie theater. The property also has an indoor pool and hot tub, as well as an outdoor fire pit and a barbecue area. The home is equipped with state-of-the-art technology, including a smart home automation system, and has stunning views of the surrounding mountains. 5. Palazzo di Amor, Beverly Hills, California, USA. Palazzo di Amor is a luxury residential property located in Beverly Hills, California, USA. The property is owned by real estate developer Jeff Green and is set on 25 acres of land. The estate features a 35,000 square foot main house, a guest house, a tennis court, a swimming pool, and a number of gardens. The main house has 12 bedrooms, 23 bathrooms, a wine cellar, and numerous high-end amenities such as a movie theater. The guest house is a 15,000 square foot mansion with its own swimming pool and tennis court. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.